Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz with the shelter place still going on in Michigan. Out on a nice spring day, and get the yard cleaned up and getting ready for the season. So it's a good time to get out there with your leaf blowers. Those leaves that kind of fell down over the winter, get those cleaned up. Maybe do an inspection of your trees, see if there's any dead limbs or hanging branches from any winter storms. You want to get those cleaned up so they don't, fall and potentially harm someone. So it's kind of a good way to kind of get ready before the grass starts growing. So here, even with the warmer weather, we're probably 2 weeks away from actually mowing here in Metro Detroit, but it's a good time to be ready. So with the shelter in place still in effect, we have very limited services for our emergency providers. But we're going to be ready. So as soon as it's safely to do so, our staff is eager and ready to serve you again and take care of your power equipment needs. In the meantime, we've got a great website. Shows all the equipment, all the different features and benefits. All the promotions will be listed there, as well as we have parts lookup. So if you want to start looking at what you may need, it's a good place to kind of see what's there. All our service promotions are also on the website. So when we're ready to safely open, you kind of got a little more knowledge to be ready to go. Like I say, our staff is more than eager. They want to get back to work and be ready to serve you. But we need to kind of just stay in place and until everything's safe to come back. In the meantime, stay safe. Try to do what you can to get things ready. We look forward to a great spring season. Hopefully we can put this COVID-19 behind us and move on and have a great summer. Thanks again for listening today to Wednesdays with Weingartz.
Weingartz, everything from lawn to snow.